Hi students, Dr.V.Baala Classes. Make it easy chemistry. This video is very useful for the students, those who are preparing NEET, IIT, JEE and CBSE state board also. Organic chemistry. Isomerism in organic chemistry. CBSE NCERT book, class 11, volume 2, page number 340. Isomerism. The phenomenon of existence of two or more compounds possessing the same molecular formula but different properties is known as isomerism. Such compounds are called isomers. Iso means same meaning. Isomerism is mainly focused on two topics. One is structural isomerism, another one is stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism we will discuss in another video. Now today we have to concentrate in structural isomerism. Structural isomerism means compounds having the same molecular formula but different structures, that is manner in which atoms are linked, how the carbon chain and functional groups and the position and everything attached. These are classified as structural isomers. Here structural isomerism further classified into chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and metamerism. First one is chain isomerism. When two or more compounds have similar molecular formula but different chain skeleton, carbon skeleton, chain of carbon, different chain of carbon number. These are referred as chain isomers, different carbon skeletons. For example, we are given C5H12. For this formula, we can write three alkane formulas. One is pentane, isopentane and neopentane. It's a common name. Now you see the IUPAC nomenclature. Pentane, 5 carbon atoms in the chain. This is 2-methyl-butane, only 4 carbon. This is 2,2-dimethyl-propane, only 3 carbon atoms. That means what is different in the carbon skeleton means here in the chain there are 5 carbon atoms is there, but the second structure in the chain there are only 4 carbon atoms, 1 methyl attached as a substituent. The third structure, the main chain containing only 3 carbon atoms, 2 methyl group attached as a substituent, that is why only 3 carbon atoms present. Now you can understand chain isomerism. Two or more organic compounds having similar molecular formula but a different carbon skeleton. This is carbon skeleton, different. 5, 4, 3. This is called chain isomerism. Now the second one is position isomerism. When two or more organic compounds differ in the position of substituent, where it is located, or functional group in the carbon skeleton. Now you see whether it is chain isomerism or not. Yes, in the chain there are 3 carbon atoms. The second example also 3 carbon atoms. That's why there is no difference in the carbon skeleton. This is not chain isomer. Now look what is the difference in these two structures. Here OH functional group is attached. This one is 1 propanol, this is 2 propanol. Here OH attached in the first carbon atom. Because this is not number 1, this is number 1. Because the carbon attached with the functional group should get least number. The carbon attached with the functional group, this is 1, 2, 3. In this case, here 1, 2, 3, otherwise 1, 2, 3. Anyway, the OH is attached to the second carbon atom. That's why the position of hydroxyl group attached with the carbon is different. Differ in the position of functional group here. That says C3H8O formula gives 2 alcohols. One is spent 1 al, another one is propane 2 al. In this case, OH attached with the 1, 2, 3. Here OH attached in the 1, 2, 3. That's why there is no difference in the carbon skeleton, only the attached group. OH attached to the first carbon atom, second carbon atom. That is example is propane 1 al, propane 2 al. Third one is functional group isomerism. This is also called functional isomerism. 2 or more compounds having the same molecular formula but different functional groups. These are called functional isomers. For example, C3H6O we can write 2 structures. Both the structure containing 3 carbon atom, 6 hydrogen atoms and only 1 oxygen atom. But in the first case, this is propanone, this is propanol. ONE, it indicates CO group, keto group. This propanone comes under ketone. This propanol, this aldehyde group. That's why different functional groups are present in the 2 structures. Same molecular formula, same kind of atom, but here keto group is aldehyde group. That is why 2 or more compounds having the same molecular formula but different functional group is called functional isomerism. For C3H6O, we are getting propanone and propanol. Here ketone is functional group, here aldehyde is functional. That's why 2 different functional groups are present. These are called functional isomerism. This is a special kind of isomerism, metamerism. What is called metamerism? It arises due to different alkyl chain either side of the functional group. We are given C4H10O, is very important one. For this we can write 2 ether structures. This is methyl propyl ether, diethyl ether. IUPAC nomenclature point of view, methoxy 1 carbon and 3 carbon. Ethoxy 2 carbon, 2 carbon. C4H10O. Here the functional group is oxygen. Here diethyl ether. Ethyl group and ethyl group is attached. That is 2 carbon and 2 carbon is attached. Here you shift 1 alkyl group here now, it will become propyl. It will become methyl. That's why here 3 carbon atoms and only 1 carbon atom. This is diethyl ether, methyl propyl ether. That is why these 2 structures differ only in the alkyl group attached with the functional group O. That means metamerism arises due to different alkyl chains. The chain is differ 2,2 and 3,1. Either side of the functional group. Here ether is a functional group. These 2 are example for metamerism. Now NDA NEET 2021 question. You can ask very simply, for example, question number 73, the compound which shows metamerism is? You can find out the answer very easy. Already is given in the heading metamerism. The same formula is given C4H10O. Now only we discussed. This is the answer. Most of the NDA and NEET and IIT questions, at least one question from IUPAC nomenclature is asked. In some other isomerism also, for NDA there is a question, the correct IUPAC name of the following compound is. Here 4 answer is given. First you have to look what are the groups attached: chlorine, OH and bromine. According to alphabetic order, anyway the OH you have to give the preference. Least number, carbon attached with the OH should get least number. This is least number. You see, anyway this group is attached 1, 2, 3, third carbon atom. Br is at first carbon atom. That's why 3 all means there are 2 possibilities is there. OH. Now identified 1, 2, 3 all. That's a 3 all, 3 all. Now you look chlorine and bromine. The bromine attached with the carbon atom should get least number because alphabetical order B and C. That is a 1. Let's say 1 bromo. That means the 4th carbon methyl is present. 4 methyl. 5th carbon chlorine is present. 5 chloro. But alphabetically Br is written first, then chloro second, methyl, then suffix 2 alcohol. That's why you can easily find out from the given structure if you are using the systematic nomenclature rule. Anybody is missing, no? Some other video is available for numbering of carbon atom. NDA NEET 2021 question: the correct structure of 2,6-dimethyl dec 4-ene. First you have to analyze the IUPAC nomenclature. No? Very simple trick. That is, ene is present at 4th carbon atom. You find out here 1, 2, 3, 4th carbon atom is ene is present. This may be answer. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is not correct answer. Here 1, 2, 3. This is also not correct answer. Here 1, 2, 3. This is not a correct. That is why very simple, from ene you can find out the answer. Then finally you can check other things also. That is ene 1, 2, 2 methyl, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6 dimethyl, dec 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decane. For decane means 10 carbon atom. Chain containing 10 carbon atom, double bond at 4th position, 2, 6th position, methyl group attached. That is why this is the correct answer. Now we can easily attend the NEET and IIT questions based on NCERT. You concentrate more in NCERT. Don't directly go to the practice of materials. First you thorough NCERT book 11th and 12th completely. After that you go for practice. Thank you, students.